It was very wonderful. Yeah, it is going very wonderful. Yeah.
The CDIO 2025, it has many things, like we have a parallel sessions, we have panel discussions, we have keynote speakers, we have also roundtable discussions.
And indeed, I think CDIO is an occasion where we come together to collaborate, and it is very important for us to realize that.
If you have one forum to address real-time projects, industry-oriented projects, and if there's any issues, if you want to sort out using a research methodology or research techniques, I believe CDIO is the only technique and the best technique that we have.
Well, it's held a lot of opening ceremony session.
What I think about this event 2025, it's a great success. I couldn't imagine when I came 3 days ago to believe that we have a so good crowd from 13 different countries here. A great success.
The most memorable moment in the CDIO event is giving lecture to you now, giving interview to you now. And apart from this, I think
Maybe I am enjoying everything. Maybe everything is most memorable. So the dance yesterday morning and the poster presentations of various students in the afternoon. Everything is wonderful. Everything is wonderful. Yeah.
Now, first of all, I love Indonesian food. It is coming together here is a way to experience not just Indonesian food, but also the Indonesian culture.
apart from this, hospitality is very good, great. Hotels are of good ambience. We enjoy thoroughly in Indonesia. Batam is so beautiful, so neat, so clean. More than anything else, the ambience of this place, the way you took care of us, the hospitality, really great and awesome. Thank you for it.
I slept at 3 a.m.
Many memorable from this event. One was, of course, that we were able to have our minister, Professor Brian, here, and he was really promising us for the good future for Indonesia 2045. So if we from the CDIO team could obtain wishes, I think that's a great success.
The CDIO regional meeting is about gathering people together, and we network. And my hope is that more newcomers can consider CDIO as a good platform for us to network and to improve teaching and learning globally.
Maybe perhaps after participating in this event, we have brought 3 new institutions from India. In fact, 2 new institutions from India. Maybe perhaps the next Asian Regional Meeting 2026, we want those 2 institutions to become a member of CDIO. This is what we are planning in the future.
In conference, this meeting has provided a unique opportunity to collaborate with members from different institutes all over the world, and similarly the students and teachers of this Polibatam. So I want to have further collaboration with Polibatam also in the future.
Hopefully that CDIO can continue spreading all over the world, and the people on Earth can feel the benefits, as well as hopefully even the universe can feel the benefits. CDIO cool.
For the future is very unstable right now, but with this community, the CDIO community in Asia, but also all over the world, I'm very, very hopeful. I think we can create education and research and working with the industry, so we will have very talented graduate students saving the world for the sustainable world in the future. So I'm very hopeful after this event.
Yeah, actually, I even forgot my way home. So sad, right? And sorry for that, guys.